Hey there, darlings. This is Faith Hunter, and I'm going to share with you a New Year intention. Now, I'm going to read this for those of you that may or may not know. I'm an author, and one of the things that I absolutely love doing is writing poetry. Now, this intention will feel like a poem in some sense, but I want you to get comfortable. Know that you can recline on your back, you can sit in a meditative seat, you can just be and exist while sipping a cup of tea or even a glass of wine, whatever suits you. Or maybe you're listening to this while you're walking. But the most important part is that I want you to be present. First, take a deep breath in with me. Exhale, empty out. One more deep breath in. And exhale. One more deep breath in. And exhale. There's a moment at the edge of the year when everything is suspended. Not quite ending, but not quite beginning. A quiet pause where the world feels softer and your own truth becomes harder to ignore. This is the moment that you return to yourself. I sit with the pieces of me that stretched, unraveled, and healed in ways I didn't expect. I sit with the dreams I whispered but didn't yet honor. I sit with the small promises I broke to myself, not out of failure, but out of fear. And here I am. I breathe, slow, simple, and steady. The new year is not asking me to reinvent myself. It's asking me to finally listen. To listen to the parts of me that longs for more ease, to the part of me that wants to stop performing strength, the part of me that aches of softness and honest living, the part of me that is tired of shrinking to fit into places that no longer feel like home. So, my intention is this: to become the woman I can no longer avoid. The one who honors her inner peace, the one who creates without urgency, the one who moves with clean boundaries and open hands, the one who trusts her clarity more than her fear, the one who stays rooted in her truth even when the world pulls. This year, I am choosing to rise gently. I am choosing to speak honestly. I am choosing to release what supports me and release what doesn't. I am choosing to return home to myself again and again and again. Stay soft, stay grounded, and always stay spiritually fly. Ciao.